Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I've been on here, and for that I apologize, but I'm back. Yes. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're a returning person, thanks for coming back. Before we get started, I thought I was going to throw up there. Before we get started, if you'll hit the subscribe button down below and tell everybody that you know, share the video. I'm a poet and don't know it. Anyway, subscribe, and I want to thank those who have subscribed because it makes a person feel good, you know. Today, I have been on the search for the best makeup for fine lines and wrinkles or mature skin, as you already know. When I was at CVS the other day looking for Band-Aids, I come across some new makeup and I thought that we would give it a whirl together. Today, I found Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation, and I'll link everything down below so that you can flip on out and check it out yourself. But this is supposed to blur pores and diminish the fine lines and wrinkles and so on and so forth. I've got LN3, if that makes any difference, but there's like 16 shades. It's like $15 or less. What else? It's for all skin types, and it's medium coverage, but it is buildable, is what it says. While I was there, picked this up, I come across this, and it looks like I ripped into the box, because literally I ripped into the box. When I got back out to the car, I was like, I hadn't put any face powder on, and I ripped open the box. I was like, I'm a savage. But anyway, I found this. It's called Cover Tox 1050. It's Wrinkle Formula Face Powder. But here's the thing. Get this. And I'm sorry for not having makeup on, but you know, we're getting ready to put it on, so you know y'all have to deal with this lovely face here. It says 100% of people, 100% of everybody that tried this face powder saw improvement in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and 100% puppy, 100% saw smoother looking skin. And on the back it has like before and afters and so on and so forth. I got medium, even though I probably should have got fair, but hey, they only had medium, so I janked up medium. So we're going to put that on afterwards. I try to tend to stay away from face powder because I do have fine lines and wrinkles, and it seems like powder, you know, makes my fine lines and wrinkles look like divots. You know. Anyway. In addition, I love to contour and highlight. I do. But it seems like contouring makes, again, my wrinkles look like really deep wrinkles because of the shimmery or the radiant powder. Well, while I was in the Physicians Formula looking around, I found a highlight and contour palette. It's called Bronze Booster, and it is matte finish, and it looks like a cool tone, because that's the other thing, you know, usually the like the contour, it turns like an orangey color on me, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if you guys have that problem, but like, I don't want to look like a Oompa Loompa running around, you know what I'm saying? So I picked this up and I was like, how cute is this little package? But on the back it has instructions as well, and it says that it comes with a mirror and applicator is included. It runs like around 15. This ran like 10 or something. I don't know. I'll link it all down below. But this is matte, so I thought that we would give it all a whirl. I'm not going to put the foundation on with a beauty blender, because something that I found the other day, I was watching videos. I don't even know if you can see me yet. Oh well. I was watching videos, and somebody had said, if you put your foundation on with a brush and you put it on in circular motions, going one way and the other way, it actually smooths out or blurs your pores. And I've been doing that and it actually works. So let's get started. I went ahead and moisturized my face and put on my Cover FX anti-aging primer, because you know that's my OG, my biatch. This bottle is glass. I love the packaging. The packaging is awesome, and I believe that I got the right shade. So I'm gonna open it and put it on the back of my hand, I guess. This is probably a okay. Physicians Formula is stepping up. Look, it's got an applicator. All right. Gonna win over a bit. Wait! Where's my balls? I can't put on my foundation without my ball. Let's turn this concert down too. Got to get the balls on. Okay, now we're ready. I like this applicator. This reminds me of Clinique, the applicator and the formula. You know, the Clinique foundation. And I think it's like 30, I think it'd be like double the price. So I mean, like, if this works. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm not going to talk. I'm going to blend this in, speed it up, and I'll be back. Woo! Good God, my arm's burning. Well, I really like this foundation on the first application. I like full coverage, so I'm going to add, it says it's buildable, so I'm going to add another layer. But on first look, first layer, this is wonderful. I like the total look of it. It's got a pleasant smell even. I really like this, and this is extremely comparable to Clinique. So, round two, I'm going to see how buildable it is for us people that like a lot. You know, us Tammy Faye people. I get to go today to the eye doctor and hopefully get some new glasses. Well, I'll try them on today and take pictures and bring it home. You know, glasses to me is a big investment. So it takes me a hot minute. Alright, I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to do it in. Okay. My balls are falling out. Okay. I love this foundation. Yeah, I think this is going to be my new go-to foundation every day, y'all. This is good stuff right here. Look at this. Onto the Physicians Formula face powder. Like I said, I probably should have got the fair, but they only had medium, and you know, us women, when we want something, we want it right then. We don't want to wait. So anyway, it comes with that little funky brush, which I'm not quite sure what I'm supposed to do with that. So I'm going to use this all over big face powder brush, because I don't like to use too much powder on my face, because I don't want to look like the Kraken. No. Release the Kraken. So I do like to buff it in though. All right. Well, Physicians Formula, I don't know who you surveyed, but 100% saw smoother lines and 100% saw less wrinkles. I am not part of that 100%. I am not a fan of said wrinkle formula. Maybe you're supposed to use it like over a course of time. I don't know. I mean, it don't feel bad. It's lightweight. You know, it doesn't really make you like real wrinkly looking. I don't know. It don't feel bad, but it don't feel like, woo, I'm, you know, something shooting out my ass. Okay, anyway. Let's move on to, let me turn this down, concert. Done, turned itself up. Moving on to the Bronze Booster. I absolutely love the packaging on this Bronze Booster matte. It comes with the contour, highlight, and the bronzer. And it looks like it's cool toned, which is really cool. Hopefully it won't turn orange. So, it says that it comes with a brush and a mirror, but there's no pocket on the bottom. I don't know. Oh, okay. Physicians Formula getting sneaky on a bitch. Look here. Here's the mirror. Oh, okay. Look at the brush. Alright, well, let's get on with it. I'm going to go into the middle shade here, which is the contour. And I'm going to apply it. Make a fish face. Start to about right there to the top of the ear. And go up, not down. Okay, I like that. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm digging the contour. Go up the side of the face, slender that down a little bit. Come in on the side of the eye. Do underneath the jawline. I like this contour a lot. Well, so far I'm digging the foundation and I am totally digging this contour. When you're fair-skinned, it's really, really difficult to find contour that doesn't like turn orange on your face. You know what I mean? I like this this contour. It's more of like an ashy brown, you know what I mean? But it definitely does the job. I'm not gonna use that little brush on the highlight, but I'm gonna use my little unicorn brush. And I'm just gonna go underneath the eyes, just to kind of give us a little highlight, and down the bridge of the nose, kind of in the middle of the forehead. kind of on the T-zone. And then just to make the contour line a little sharper, yeah, this is really nice. I totally love this. Okay, guys, let me take my balls off. Let me take my balls off so I can give you my opinion. You know, gotta have my balls off. Okay, well, in conclusion, I believe that this foundation is going to be my go-to foundation, everyday foundation. It's the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. It has SPF 20 in it. It's less than $20, and I absolutely love the feel of it. The face powder, it's a hit or miss for me. I'm probably going to go ahead and use it just because it's the same brand and I bought it. You know what I mean? And I don't know if it's like you'll see less wrinkles over the period of time, you know, over the period of use. I don't know. But, I mean, it's not bad, but it's not something that, you know, I would rush out and purchase. The foundation, I totally recommend that you go out and purchase it. And the bronze booster, I absolutely love that it doesn't turn orange, that it is matte. So, I totally love these two items right here. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I have so many more videos in store for you. I'm going to try to upload every day. I ordered some new things and I got some new things in. Some of it looks quite painful, honestly, but hey, I'll take it for the team. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Tell everybody to hit the subscribe button. Share. You know, tell everybody that you have a friend that needs their love and support. Until the next time, everybody, peace out.